And he just said that one thing, that one, the way you are teaching is very good. So, because the coding is not a very easy job to do it at the first hand, but he's able to do it in the first time when the class get over. That is where I can understand that the way of teaching is nice.
I enjoy that. I learned much about smoke alarm. Really, it's so interesting and fun. Thank you, sir.
So interesting, sir.
Sir, I learned about how to make smoke sensors.
Every day she keep on talking about it.
So it was very nice learning about different types of sensors and how they sense the smoke or what's different and what is the input and output given. Learning in depth is very nice, sir. Understanding is very easy. I like robotics and some stuff with motors, batteries like that. So it was very enjoyable. I love to do much electronic devices. You teach that only. I learn about smoke alarm and then disco light, LED. Really, this class is so interesting. Sir, taking classes in online is a very difficult thing, sir. That too, making students understand about mechanics is very good to see, sir. I enjoyed those 4 days. Yeah, I love very much.